This video will show you how to create a contact sheet for your homework assignment. Basically, we're just going to do a screen capture of your computer. If you have a Macintosh or if you're using a cell phone, you can just search for a tutorial on YouTube for how to do a screen capture. But what we're going to do here is show the image that you're uploading for your homework assignment along with the images that you took before and after that one. So you can go to the View tab in any folder, and I like the large icons option for contact sheets. And let's say that I select this 9540 image for my homework. Let me find the original 9540 image all the way at the bottom here. There it is. So the contact sheet is going to show all of the images before and after, which in this case are very similar, and that helps the instructor see what else you tried before and after the image that you actually submitted for your homework. So we're just going to search for the snip tool, and there are again many ways to do a screenshot, but this one is pretty easy. And you click on New to create a new snip, and it says drag the cursor around the area you want to capture. So I'm just going to choose this group of images right here, which includes the one I've selected for my homework assignment. And then I'm going to save this as an image on my computer. So I'll go to File, Save As, and I don't want to save it on this PC. I'll save it on the desktop right here. Now I'll just upload this image to Imager the way that I would upload any other image. Make sure you watch the tutorial video for more detail in how to do this. Okay. And then I can post that in the homework assignment.